I look back now and I could see that it was bullying.
Why is this happening to me? Just angry with the world pretty much, and then you're just sad all the time.
You never expected that from someone that's there to support you.
You're listening to the stories, but then you catch glimpses of yourself. Can't help but think, would I speak up in that situation? Would I allow that to happen in my workplace? Have I allowed that to happen in the past, and do I need to do things better?
Safety is important at work because we spend so much time there, and because whatever happens to us in the workplace has far-reaching consequences. It's not just us, it's our colleagues that are affected, and of course it's our families, and our families need us happy and healthy.
To me it looks like it's a reflection of us around us, of what we're doing and what we're not doing and what we should be doing.
Whatever you're working, even if you're in a mining industry, childcare, education, workplace safety is important.
We want Victorians to take away from this experience that they are a reflection of their workplace, and to really have a conversation back in the workplace about what everyone can do to ensure everyone is safe at work. My pledge when I go back to my workplace is to have a conversation around what it really means to be emotionally, psychologically safe every day.
Don't be afraid to speak up if something's happening, if you're feeling unsafe or unhappy.
I'm absolutely on board with taking the pledge to make workplaces safe, both from a physical and mental perspective.
I pledged to spread kindness and respect in every workplace that I am in, and I pledged to check in on my colleagues and to use my voice to speak up.
I pledge to ensure that everyone's safe at work every day, every second of their lives. Because what I heard in there is that people was going through some struggles during work where the fact that they had no voice to raise the issue.
Makes you look at yourself, I suppose, without, I guess, a mirror, obviously, but I'm saying, it just makes you think a bit more.
I think it's a great installation. I think bringing the awareness, into the streets and getting people talking about it's great.